Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we've got the NEO SMARTPEN by Neolabs. This is the M1 edition. It's their latest pen. We're going to be doing a quick unboxing for you. So pretty much it comes in this tube. Now they come in different colors depending on which color you've got. So this, I believe, is the yellow and brown. You can see the two different colors. So it's a yellow pen with the brown accents. You can see that stripe there. So that, I believe, is the colors that we will have in here. And pretty nice packaging, actually. Really cool. A couple things I did notice that I do like is the fact that it is CE, FCC, and all those other commission certified. So that's always a good thing to see. Always like seeing that. The other thing I do notice is that it is available for iOS, Android, and Windows. So if you're running a Windows computer, you can actually connect up to 7 of these to one single computer, and everybody can draw on the same piece of paper. They all show up. Looks kind of cool. So would be kind of interesting to try that out. But yeah, we're gonna break into this NEO SMARTPEN. So first thing you'll need to do is pull off that cellophane wrapper, open it up, and there is a "Do not open if seal is broken" label on there. So we're gonna break that seal, and there it is. There's the pen. So as you can see, we have a yellow pen, we have some cards in the back, and in the very back is the charging cable. Also in there is a spare ink refill. So this is a nice zebra style ink refill cartridge. And to pull out the charge cable, it's just a standard micro USB over molded cable. Looks actually fairly decent. They've got their little logo on there. You probably can't see it. And what else do we have? We have this is a test pad, so you'd be able to write some short notes on there. I don't know if you can see that or not. And there's some grid paper in there. You really can't see the Neocode in this, and I was kind of worried that I would be able to see it, but it looks like it's just a very light gray, so it'd be interesting to see how well this works. And you also have your instructions on how to use it. I'll get to that a little bit later on and let you know how that works. So what you've all been waiting for is the NEO SMARTPEN. So we're gonna pull this out. Feels nice. It's got nice weight to it. Does feel like it's a little bit back end heavy. The balance point is a little bit further to the back than to the front. But we do have, there's the pen itself. You can see it has the camera up there, and you can see it does have a little bit of goo on the front that you'll need to take off before you start writing with it. And that is to protect the ink, to make sure it doesn't dry out. Alright, and you just pull it just like that in order to switch out your refill cartridges. So there you go. And what else do we have? So looking around it, we have a little brown button on the front. Put this back on. Have a little brown button. We have a button back here. And we have a button right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read through the instructions, and through the magic of video editing, I'll be right back and let you know about all of the different features of the pen.